Hello, everyone. In today's episode, we're going to talk about Pro Tools and the Keyboard Maestro. I've done previously a tutorial on Keyboard Maestro using Ableton, but I use much more Pro Tools with Keyboard Maestro because, as you can see, I have a Apple Magic Keyboard without the numeric pad. And because I'm a lazy bastard and I never bought a numeric pad keyboard, but I bought a Keyboard Maestro, so I can do all the functionality that I need without the need of the numeric pad. Plus, I can do much more things that I'm about to show you. So let's have a look. So the first thing is nudging the waveform inside the clip. So you just move the waveform. And because I have this beautiful keyboard, I cannot do it. But with Keyboard Maestro, I found a way to hack this command. So if I'm doing Shift and the arrow left and arrow right, I can nudge it. And this because I created on Keyboard Maestro. Another things I create with Keyboard Maestro is to hold Shift and arrow down and arrow up. So I'm basically jumping page within page until the bottom page. So I think that there is no functionality with a normal keyboard to do this, but with a numeric keyboard you can do it. But now I'm just doing Shift, arrow down, Shift, arrow up. Another things I created, usually when you want to create a new memory location, you need to use the return button on the numeric keyboard, which I don't have because I have this beautiful keyboard. But I told to Keyboard Maestro that every time I press return on my keyboard, I can create a memory location. And you can see here, if I press return, it creates a memory location. Another thing, Shift-C, I open the color palette. Usually, to create the color palette, you just go here. But I hacked this command, Shift-C, and this color palette. So now I'm going to open a new section. I use a lot Acoustica 7 as my program to clean audio, to denoise dialogue, to the wind, to the applause, to remove all the disturbance sound. I use much more Acoustica 7 than I use Isotope RX, although I use Isotope RX, but I wanted to create a shortcut that if I want to, for example, if let's listen this dialogue.
Hello, I'm Marta.
There is some background noise. So if I want to remove the background noise, I usually go to Audio Suite, Econ Digital, and I will go to Extract Dialogue. And Extract Dialogue, it's basically removing the disturbance sound in the background and leaving the dialogue clean. But, it's quite a lot of steps. So to do this, with Keyboard Maestro, I do Option E. And also, I can do this like easily. The same, if I want to denoise the sound, I usually go Audio Suite, Econ Digital, and it will be denoise too. I create a shortcut, Option D, denoise. So fast and effective. Same for the rustle. So if I want to remove the rustle noise that usually comes with the lavalier, Option R. If I want to remove the wind from wind, basically, Option W. And now the biggest command, sometimes you have the waveform that it's not symmetrical. So you need to do the phase alignment, or also called phase rotation, which is quite tricky. So to do this, usually I will go to Audio Suite, Econ Digital, transfer to Acoustica. Then again, it's here in Acoustica. Let's open more. So what I have to do basically in Acoustica, it's to go to Tools, Rotate Phase, Enter, and render back to Pro Tools. And you can see that now it's been aligned. But let's undo this action. I found a workaround that I just use one command to do the whole thing. So let's put a Acoustica here, maybe here, so that we can see what's going to happen. So all these actions are going to be triggered by doing Option T. So Option T, I open this, and it's transferred. So I don't know if you've seen, but everything is been quite quick. So let's, okay, remove the zoom. Okay, so Option T, transfer to Acoustica, rotate phase, and send it back to Pro Tools. All of this with one command. And that's probably the most complicated macro that I created on Acoustica. So now that I show you all the macros that I created, I'm going to open Keyboard Maestro, and I will show you extract dialog, which is the most simple one. So, okay, I told to extract dialog when you are inside Pro Tools. When I press Option E, will execute the following action. It will open the menu title. It will go to the sub menu, which is Echo Digital. It will go to menu item, Echo Digital Extract Dialog, and we will enter the command. So let's do this so that we can see all the action. Okay. So usually the whole workaround will be when I have this audio suite, Echo Digital, extract dialog, enter. And that's extract dialog, and that's the things that I want to do.
Hello.
Right? But because I told to Keyboard Maestro that when I press Option E, which I'm going to press now, is doing the same. So it's basically doing all the work for me using only one keyboard, only one keystroke. So yeah, this is how I use the Keyboard Maestro for Pro Tools. And since I use Keyboard Maestro, my productivity has increased by far. I was gonna buy a keyboard with a numeric pad, but then I saw Keyboard Maestro and I was thinking maybe I should just buy Keyboard Maestro because I use Keyboard Maestro for other things, for Ableton, for my email, for, I automate my whole computer using Keyboard Maestro, not just Pro Tools. But with Pro Tools, yes, when you have to do certain tasks that you have to use the mouse and maybe spend 10 seconds extra, with Keyboard Maestro, pam, one macro key and you are done. So I will put a link in the description, and if you want to know more stuff about Keyboard Maestro, on YouTube there are so many videos about Keyboard Maestro, and there is also a forum dedicated to Keyboard Maestro, so where you can see what people are doing. And on Facebook there are many groups about Keyboard Maestro, and there is a specific group about Pro Tools. So that's everything for today. Thank you for watching, and leave a like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.